morning students. Today I am going to start a new exercise, exercise 3C. The first question of this exercise is add the following. So, how many of you love the addition? First is 17 by 38 and 37 by 38. So you see the denominator number is same. Obviously the LCM will be the same, and since the LCM will be the same, then your LCM is 38. Now 17 and means plus, you can write 17 plus 37. 7 plus 7 14, 4 carry 1 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 is 5 by 38. This is your answer. Now next question you see with the negative sign, and let me do question number 2 also for you. 13 by 14 and 54 by minus 64. Since the negative sign in the denominator, you will bring the negative sign in the numerator. So what you will write? 13 by 14 and here will be minus 54 by 64. Now class, tell me, plus minus is minus. 13, this plus multiply with the negative sign, it becomes 13 minus 54, 13 by 14 and 64. Now you take the LCM of 14 and 64. Now take the LCM. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 32 into 7 into 2. So 14 into 32, you do the 32 multiply with 14, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, again 32. So your answer is 448. So your LCM is 448. Now again 14 3s are 42, 14 2s are 28. Now this 13 will be multiplied with 32. Again, now 64. 64 is how much? 28. 4 4 is 60, 4 2 is 8, 3 is, yes. 64 7 is 448. 54 into 7. Okay. Okay. Those who have written this question number 1, please take a screenshot. Let me do the next step for this. Okay, let me rub this one. This is very easy. You can do. Now this next step, you see, this step I am bringing here. 448. 13 you multiply with 32 to 26. 3 3 is 9. Here will be 3 3 is 9. Here will be 3. 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 3 plus 1 is 4 by 6. So minus 54 into 7, you multiply 54 into 7, 7 4 is 28, carry 2, 7 5 is 35, 30 plus 5 plus 2 is 37, minus 3 7 8. You subtract in a rough, in a rough you subtract, this one, you subtract in a rough 4 1 6 minus 3 7 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here will be 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. Your answer is 38. So your answer 38 by 448. This you can cancel with the 2 multiple. 2 1 is 2. 2 9 is 18. 2 2 is 4. 2 4 is 8. So your answer in the standard form is 19 by 224. This is your answer. Please take the screenshot. After this step, you will write this step. Okay, I have less space, so that's why I have written here. Please take the screenshot. I know my students are smart, they have taken the screenshot. Okay, now next question. Let me do question number 4, because you might have the confusion in question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4, what is written? 1 and You have to add 1 and minus 5, 2 by 5. That means 1 plus minus 5, 2 by 5. Now plus minus is what? Minus. Okay, now you convert this mixed fraction into a fraction. How you will convert? 5 5 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27 by 5. Now 5, LCM will be 5. Now 5 1 will be 5. 5 minus 27 is what? Plus minus is minus. Sign should be greater number. But here the greater number is what? 27 is greater than 5. So greater number is having what sign? Negative sign. So your sign will be negative. 27 minus 5 is 22. 22 by 5 is your answer. And the rest of the question number 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 is your homework. Let me do question number 8 also. Question number minus 8 by 13 plus 7 by 11 and means comma means you have to add plus 5 by 3, 4, 3. You please take the screenshot of question number 4 because I am going to rub question number 4 also because it will take the space. I know my students are smart, they have taken the screenshot. Okay, let me rub so that I can do it very clearly. Now, I am going to take the LCM of 11, 13 and 3, 4. 13, 11 and 3, 4. 3, 4, 3. So, these are prime number but 3, 4, 3 can be divisible. 3, 4, 3 is the multiple of 7 and 13, 2 is 26, 83, it will not be possible for 13 also. Yes, I can get the 11 factor. 3, 4, 3 will be divisible by 11 no. So your LCM will be the product of this 3 number. How you will do? You will write 8 by 13 plus 7 by 11 plus 5 by 3, 4, 3. So your LCM will be the product of 3 number 13 into 11 into 3, 4, 3. So 13 will be multiplied with 11 and 3, 4, 3. Same, 7 will be multiplied with 13 and 3, 4, 3 plus 5 will be multiplied with 13 and 11. Now, in this case, whether you can take the common or not, you can see. Everywhere common is there. Now it's better. Instead of doing long division, can I take some common factor? Take the same common factor, it will remain the same. So you do the multiplication. You will multiply 8 into 11 is 88. Afterwards, you will multiply with 3, 4, 3. For that, that's why I am telling to learn the table. 8 3 is 24, carry 2. 4 is 32, 32 plus 2 is 34. Again carry 3. 8 3 is 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. 4, 4, 7, 2. Then 8, 11, 7 plus 3 is 10. Again 11, 3, 0, 1, 8, 4. Your answer 3, 0, 1, 8, 4. Now next multiplication you do. These questions are very lengthy. 13 7 there is 91. I know the 13 table, that's why I am not having the problem. But you have to do the multiplication. 13 7 is 91. Nine 3 4 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. Carry 2. 4 9 is 36 plus 2 is 38. Again carry 3. 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 3 is 30. 3 11 12 3 1 2 1 3 plus 13 5 is 65. 65 into 11, here will be 65, again 65, 11 7 1 5, and here will be the LCM of 13 into 11 into 3 4 3. So now you will do the addition. Now you will do the addition of these numbers. 3 1 2 1 3 7 1 5 8 2 9 1 3 3 1 9. Now you do the subtraction. 3 0 1 8 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 minus 4 is 12 minus 8 is 4. Sorry. 8 minus 1 is 7. Here will be 1. 1 7 4 4 multiplied with, now you do the multiplication of 13 into 11. 13 into 11 will be 143. You let me check. Yes, 13. Again 13, it is 143. Now 143, if I multiply with 343, you see how I am multiplying. 143, I am multiplying with 34. But this 343 I can write, 143 I can write this one, 200 plus 143. Now 3 2 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2. This is the shortcut way of multiplication. Now 143 square, 143 square you have to do. 143 square, let me do. 143 square, 143 into 143 square, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Again carry 1, 3 3 is 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Again 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 17. Carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. Again 1 4 3, 4 9, 10 14, 6 plus 4 10. Again 2 0 4 4 9. Now you have to add this one. How you will add? 2 0 4 4 9 plus 2 8 6 0 4 9 10 9, and here will be 4. So your answer is this one. You can do the cancellation to make into the standard form. Now you take the screenshot. I know my students are smart, they have taken the screenshot. And the rest questions are homework. You will do at home. Rest of the questions are homework. First, this is also the same, the addition one you can do. Let me do the question number. Let me do question number 5 and 6. Last question is very easy. You can do 7 plus minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Now your LCM will be the 4 because 2 2 is 4. Now this 4 will be multiplied with 7. 7 4 is 28. 2 2 is 4. 1 will multiply with minus 1. It will become minus 2. 4 1 is 4 is 2. Now class 10 means plus minus is minus. 28 minus 2 plus 3 by 4. Now 28 minus 2 is what? 26. 26 plus 3 is what? 29 by 4 is your answer. This is very easy. And question number 6 also let me do. So question number 3 too you can do. Question number 6. Question number 6. 5 minus 13 plus 5 minus 13 minus 2 by 26 plus minus 5 by 39. So here the LCM will be the 13 multiple. 13, 26 and 39. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is 39. So 13 6 is 78. LCM will be the your LCM will be 78. 13 how much? 78. 13 6 is 78. So that this minus sign will go up. 5 will be multiplied with 6. 26 3 ja 78. Minus 2 will be multiplied with 3. 39 2 ja 78. Minus 5 will be multiplied with 2. You have to be very careful in the multiplication table, because this multiplication table is very useful for your examination point of view and for your basic also. 5 6 ja 30 minus 30. 2 3 ja minus 6, again minus 10. So class, tell me, minus minus plus, again minus sign will be there, again plus minus will be minus. So all you have to add. 30 plus 6 is 36, plus 36 plus 10 is 46. 46 minus by 78. You can cancel with 2 in order to make into the standard form. This is your answer. And the rest of the question is homework. You please take the screenshot. I know my students are smart, they have taken the screenshot. Let me do another. Here they subtract the following. Subtract the following. First question of this, 2 3 by 8 from 8 10 by 25. In subtraction, you have to very clear. If some of the student in the test, if I have written, you subtract 92 from minus 25. This minus 25 should come first. After that you will subtract. And most of the students did 92 minus 25. This is wrong. If I ask you subtract 8 from 10. So how you will write? You will write 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay. This point, this from most of the students are doing the mistake. You please clear your concept. So this you will write 8 10 by 25 minus 2 3 by 8. Now you convert this mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction. 25 into 8 is how much? 200. 200 plus 10 is what? 200 plus 10 is 210 by 25. Minus 2, 8 to just 16. 16 plus 3 is what? 19 by 8. You take the LCM of 25 into 8. Obviously the LCM will be 200. 25 8 just 200. 0 8 1680 minus 1680 minus 8 into how much? 200 will be 25. To multiply 19 into 25. 5 9 ja 45. Carry 4. Will be 95. 19 2 ja 38. Answer will be your 475. So 475 you have to subtract. 1680 minus 475. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. 16 minus 4 is 12. So your answer is 1215 by 200. This you can cancel with 5 also. If you are cancelling it will 5 4 ja 20. 5 2 ja 10. Again 5 4 ja 20. 5 3 ja 15. So your answer will be 243 by 40. You take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. I know my students are smart. They have taken the screenshot. Let me drop this one. Now next question. Question number 6 is very interesting. You can do. Question number 6 let me do for you, and rest of the question is very important. Always remember the from it is written, that part will come first. After that subtraction, and you have to subtract, and be careful with the sign. Question number 6. Minus 15 by 19 from 9. Now this 9 will come first. 9 minus subtract means you have to write the subtract. Here will be minus 15 by 19. Now minus minus will be plus 15 by 19. So your LCM will be 19. So 19 9 81, 171 plus 15, it will become 186 by 19. This is your answer. And take the screenshot. Rest of the question is homework for you. Now, next question. What should be subtracted from to get these? These questions you have done in your exercise 1A also. But where the difference lies? By that time, no fraction number was there, but here you are getting the fraction number. So, question number 4. You can do what should be subtracted, what should be added. You will just remember to get these. If I ask you what should be subtracted from 10 to get 5, obviously you will say 5. How you have got? You have subtract 10 minus 5. The same way you will do question number 4 and 5. Let me do question number 7 and 8 because this question is a little bit tricky. The sum of three rational numbers is 10. One of them is 4 and the other is 2 by 3 less than 4. Find the third number. The sum of three rational number is 10 given. Okay. One of them is 4. Another is 2 by 3 less than 4. Okay. 2 by 3 less than 4 means what? 4 minus 2 by 3. And find the number. First, you will write the first number is given how much? 4. Second number, how you will get the second number? 2 by 3. If I had asked you 5 less than 2, what will be your answer? 5 less than 2. The next number is 5 but less than 2. That your answer will be what? 7. Yes. The other number will be 5 less than 2. You have to do that. 2 by 3 less than 4. Okay. 4 is there and it is less than 2 by 3. You will subtract minus 2 by 3. 3 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 by 3. Your answer will be 10 by 3. Now you have got the first number, second number. Now how you will get the third number? Third number will be your 10 minus sum of these two number. Now your LCM will be 3. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 12 plus 10 is 12 plus 10 is what? 22. 10 minus 22 by 3. So your LCM will be 3. 30 minus 22 is how much? 8 by. Now you add whether by adding this we are getting the number. We are getting the number or not. You see, we are getting the 10 or not. 8 by 3 plus 10 by 3. Okay, next is what? 4. Now you see, LCM is your 10. 8 plus 10. 4 3 is 12. So 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 by 3, we are getting the number 10. Therefore, your answer is correct. So, the other number is what? 8 by 3. You please take the screenshot and write. I am trying to do the sum very simple.